We now move on to some primary market action. Manba Finance, which is a non-banking finance company, is all set to open their initial public offering on September 23rd. Now, my colleague Sajid Mangat caught up with the Managing Director Manish Shah to understand the growth picture of the company. Listen in as we wrap up this edition of Large Trades.
My business model we are into two-wheeler financing. So when I started, I will just take back you to the past, before 2 decades, when I thought that I want to be active in financial sector. So I thought that let's go into lending sector and want to lend to a product where the risk is divided amongst many. So we chose the product two-wheeler. We were DSA for 10 years with ICICI Bank, HDFC, City Financials. And then 2008, we started our own financing in the Manba. And presently we are at 6 states. And we are into all kinds of two-wheeler financing. And basically we are concentrated on Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and newly introduced states like Chhattisgarh, MP, and UP. And the whole idea is to reach out the customers where they are less access to credit. So we are rightly placed in the city as well as the rural. So tier 2, tier 3 also we have covered and doing well.
Can you take us through your breakup of your disbursements or revenues coming from tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 cities?
So basically I will give you the disbursement ratios from the Maharashtra. It is almost 70%, and then 20% is from Gujarat and 10% from the rest of the states. And in the Maharashtra, the complete tier 1, tier 2, the division is around 55% and 45%.
Give us a sense of what has limited you to only financing two-wheelers, because you are primarily a two-wheeler financing company, and do you plan to move out of two-wheeler to expand your offerings to four-wheelers as well?
Yeah, so we want to become a diversified financiers. So the journey has been started, of course, with a two-wheeler, but now we want to, add a new product, three-wheeler, especially electric vehicle three-wheeler, used car, and top-up loan, which has been given to our own customers, and small business loan. These all are the people we have less access to the credit. So we want to explore this possibility, and that's why we are diversified our portfolios and products. We are adding some products also.